PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides professional AC drainage repair in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners and businesses prevent water damage and maintain efficient air conditioning performance. A clogged or damaged condensate drain line can cause water leaks, mold growth, reduced system efficiency, and unexpected shutdowns. Our experienced technicians inspect the drainage system, clear blockages, repair damaged components, and ensure proper water flow to restore reliable operation. Prompt AC drainage repair helps protect your property, improve indoor air quality, and extend the lifespan of your cooling system. Trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania for dependable AC drainage repair services that keep your air conditioner operating safely, efficiently, and reliably throughout the cooling season. Call us today, PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a AC drainage repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. Can AC drainage problems cause water damage? Yes, blocked or damaged drain lines can allow condensate to overflow, potentially damaging ceilings, walls, flooring, and nearby equipment. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania provides prompt drainage repair services to prevent water damage and restore proper system operation. What are the signs my AC needs drainage repair? Common signs include water leaking around the indoor unit, musty odors, high indoor humidity, frequent system shutdowns, or a full drain pan. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania diagnoses drainage issues quickly and performs dependable repairs to prevent further damage. What is your service office for AC drainage repair? Glen Mills, Pennsylvania. Our local AC drainage repair Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Cocopson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike, number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://pjmashvatz.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/